How to change your astrological or zodiac sign on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your astrological or zodiac sign on Snapchat. Well, open the app and you will get an interface like this. Here, head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can find on the top left of your screen. Once here, you can see your zodiac sign just below your username. Tap on it and click on continue. Here you will be able to edit your astrological information. Now to change your astrological sign, head over to settings by tapping on the settings icon that you can find on the top right of the screen. Once here, go to your birthday and here you will be able to change your birthday. Now as you change your birthday, and scroll back, you'll notice that my zodiac sign has changed from before. So this way you can change your zodiac or astrological sign as well on Snapchat. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.